is Tam.
My name is Tom.
We are Stronger Mom Properties. We are here today in Redwood City for our demolition project.
And we want to invite you to come join our project. We want to teach everybody about real estate investments hands-on. This is our Airbnb project. We want to invite you out, learn step by step from repairs to fixing it, to renting it out, even with our flips. You're invited to join us in any of our projects.
We want to empower women to learn how to invest and making wealth for their family and their community. Please come out.
Yes, so hence the name Stronger Moms Properties. But we do invite anyone. You don't have to be a mom. Just come join us and learn, and we'll be more than happy to teach you guys hands-on behind the scenes. Thank you.
All right.